Yak, y'all. What's poppin'? So, yo, it's your boy Esquatch, your size 15 sneaker enthusiast, and I'm in a different area right now. I'm actually at work doing some OT. Got to be able to afford these shoes, so you know what I mean. Got to do OT anytime there's offers. But check me out. Before I left, man, as I was geared to go, I looked outside and I got this box. And I said to myself, now what could this be? And I thought about it and I said, ooh, I think I know what this is. So rather than open right then and there, I decided to share this moment with you guys. That's what we about to do right now. We about to share this moment and I'm gonna open this box up. We're gonna get into it. About to do an unboxing right now. Y'all ready to get into it? Let's do it. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Oh man, yo man, this thing gotta be like this to open. I'm tearing the whole damn box up, man. Yo, here we go, finally. Let's see what we got. All right, so naturally, we already knew it was from them. We already knew that. Wasn't no big secret. You see what that say? So anything from them has that on it. Let's do it. Let's see what it say. Cosmic clay. Y'all ready? So let me do it like this. We gonna pop this open right now and say, ooh, ooh. Take this other one out right quick. Yo, this is one of the newest Vomeros, the Nike Vomero Cosmic Clay. Check it out, y'all. You already know how this is. You already know everything about the Vomero. We got the gauge right here with the breathable right here, all that right there. So in case your feet get a little funky, you can breathe right there. Got the swoosh right here, and it's all, this is not really a red. It's more like I want to say a burnt orange. Yeah, probably like a burnt, oh, it smells great. So look, it got that awesome traction that the Vomeros normally have. They're known for. Super heel for the comfort. A lot of mesh going on right here. Man, look at this here, bro. Cosmic clay. Even though I'm at work, I got to give y'all some more feet. So we got to figure out how we going to do that. But yo, got these joints in a size 15. Now these joints sold out. The last time I checked, they sold out. As you know, they actually had another pair I was trying to get and I passed up on it. Just like, I wasn't too sure. Then I finally realized that I want them. They sold out, which is the Lakeside, like that all blue, North Carolina sky blue type color. I wanted that. So when I saw this one, I'm like, yo, I'm not passing up on these. The Cosmic Clay, size 15, Vomero. Look at the detail, y'all. Look at the detail. All about the detail. That I want to start building up my Vomero collection. So this is actually the second one. But this is the second one. I'm trying to build them up. There's a few other colorways that I'm trying to find. But yeah, man. You know what the funny thing is though? What makes it difficult is because I feel, I could be wrong, but this is just my personal opinion. When I look at the P6000s, they kind of give me these vibes. Like a low budget Vomeros. Like, yo, if you can't afford the Vomeros, well, here's some P6000s. Cosmic clay, burnt orange to me, whatever. Vomeros, size 15. You can see that thing, say size 15. Boy, your boy Esquatch, we in there. Nike on the tongue, you can barely see it, but you know it's there. Check on the back, we in there. What this say on the side? Nike Zoom, Cushlon right there. Hey, yo, so it's your boy Esquatch. Yo, so I'd like to thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, I go by the name of Esquatch, your size 15 sneaker enthusiast. And yo, I review shoes for us, people with big feet, the big foot platoon. You already know how difficult it is. You know, sometimes I do reviews, I do unboxing, as you can see. I do all types of stuff, man. I go out and do some hunting for us to try to find stuff in our size, because you know, all other people that I rock, them boys are dope, but they really don't touch on our size shoe. So that's what I'm here for, your boy Esquatch. And until next time, peace. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. All right, please. If you know somebody or you that just happen to land on my channel and you really don't wear a size 15, but you know somebody else that wears size 15, and they be like, yo, no time finding size 15 shoe. Directing at your boy Esquatch. I got him. Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the Vomero 5 Cosmic Clay, size 15. These things feel pretty good, man. They're super light. Like I said, they definitely give me P6000 vibe. Feel real good, man. I'm not gonna front with you, man. Feel real good. Super light. Super light. I like that. Gonna have to invest more in these, bro. These feel real good. It's very comfortable, bro. Extremely happy with this purchase right here. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to go get all of Vomero 5s now, bro. I like the way they look on my feet. They don't give me that bulky, mad room here. You can't go down the sides because right here, my foot right here is right there. Like it's right there. And this foot right here is actually bigger than that one, so you know that one damn there right here. You cannot go down the size on the Vomeros, bro. I'm telling you, they are true to size. You cannot go down the size in the Vomero 5s. And until next time, peace. All you gotta do is follow me.